Okay, subtracting algebraic expressions. Let us see one example. 20 subtract 20 from 30. Okay, how do we do this? So it's 30 minus 20. So this will become 10. Now suppose we say subtract minus 20 from 30. So we are subtracting minus 20. So this is 30 subtracting minus 20. So here it will become plus, minus minus plus, and 30 plus 20 is 50. Now let us see one example here. 5x square, subtract 5x square minus 2x plus 7 from 7x square plus 3. From this, subtract this. So we write down 7x square plus 3 minus 5x square plus 7 minus 2x. And because it is plus here and we are subtracting, it will become minus. It is plus here, it will become minus. And it's minus here, so it will become plus. 7x square minus 5x square is 2x square, or we normally don't write plus 2x square, it is just 2x square. Plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4, and plus 2x, from minus it will become plus 2x will come here. So this is how we subtract algebraic expression. Okay, let's see another example here. Subtract 5 square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y plus 5x minus 3. So what we do is we put this below this, because from this we have to subtract. We have 5x square here, so let's put minus here, and 5x square minus 4y square. So this is minus 4y square plus 6y. So it is plus 6y here, and minus 3. Here maybe if you want we can write 0 or 0x plus 0x, and here maybe you can write plus 0xy, because there is nothing, we got to put something here. Okay, and now we do this, and because it is minus here, so I'll change the color and put instead of plus 5x square we put minus, plus 0xy, so minus 4y square, so plus 0x is minus, and plus 6y is minus 3 is plus 3. So 7x square minus 5x square is 2x square. 4xy minus 0xy, so that is minus 4xy. 8y square plus 4y square, so that is plus 12y square. 5x minus 0x, so that is plus 5x minus 3y minus 6y, which is minus 9y, and plus 3. So that will be the answer.